Baking cookies with Mom.
Loli. Let's bake cookies together today.
Sounds fun, Mom. What do we need?
We need butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips.
Okay, Mom. Where should we start?
First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Got it, Mom. I'll set the oven temperature.
Loli adjusted the oven temperature while Mom gathered the ingredients.
Now we'll mix the softened butter and brown sugar. You can use a spoon or an electric mixer.
Can I use the electric mixer, Mom?
Of course, Loli, just be careful.
Loli used the electric mixer to combine the butter and brown sugar until they were creamy.
Great job! Now let's crack the eggs and add them one at a time to the mixture.
Loli cracked the eggs and added them, mixing well after each addition.
Now let's add the vanilla extract and mix it in.
Loli poured in the vanilla extract, giving the mixture a gentle stir.
Next we'll combine the flour, baking soda, and salt in a separate bowl.
Loli measured the flour, baking soda, and salt, then mixed them together.
Now let's gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until well combined.
Loli slowly added the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until the dough came together.
Time to add the chocolate chips. Sprinkle them into the dough and mix gently.
Loli eagerly added the chocolate chips, folding them into the dough.
Well done, Loli. Now, let's scoop spoonfuls of dough onto the baking sheets, leaving some space between each cookie.
Loli used a spoon to drop spoonfuls of dough onto the baking sheets, making sure to space them out.
Now we'll put the baking sheets in the oven and bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes.
Loli carefully placed the baking sheets in the oven and set the timer.
While the cookies bake, let's clean up the kitchen and get ready to enjoy our treats.
Okay, Mom. I'll wash the bowls and utensils while you prepare some milk for us.
They worked together to clean up the kitchen, eagerly waiting for the cookies to bake.
The timer went off. Loli. Let's take the cookies out and let them cool on a wire rack.
Loli carefully removed the baking sheets from the oven and placed the cookies on a wire rack to cool.
They look yummy, Mom. Can we try one now?
Of course, Loli. Let's have a cookie and a glass of milk together.
They sat down at the kitchen table, savoring the warm cookies and enjoying their special baking experience.
Mom, this was so much fun. I loved baking cookies with you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Loli. It's always fun to bake together. We should do it more often.
They continued to enjoy their cookies, cherishing the sweet moments they shared as mother and daughter.